In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Namecheap domain to Google Workspace 5 minutes. We're going to link your Namecheap domain to Google Workspace and get the verification started so your domain shows up properly in your admin console. First, head to your Namecheap account and copy the exact domain you want to use. Grab the root domain only, no HTTP, no HTTPS, and no slashes. For example, just yourdomain.com. Keeping your Namecheap tab open will make things easier in case you need to reference it again. Now go to admin.google.com and sign into the Google admin console with an administrator account. Once you're on the home dashboard, find and click account. From there, select domains and then choose manage domains. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Google updates the layout from time to time, but the wording is usually the same. On the Manage Domains page, click Add a Domain. If you see an option for a domain alias, that's for routing mail to the same inboxes under another domain. For a separate domain you'll use independently, choose Add a Domain. Next, paste the Namecheap domain you copied earlier. Double check for typos and make sure you're not including www or any subdomain, just the root domain. Accuracy here saves you time later. Continue through the prompts to complete the setup. Google will guide you through verification, which typically involves adding a TXT record to your domain's DNS. If Google recognizes Namecheap, it may offer to help with the DNS update directly, otherwise it will show you the record to add. Keep the Google admin tab open while you follow the on-screen instructions. If you do need to add a record in Namecheap, you'll enter exactly what Google provides. Don't change the formatting. DNS changes can take a few minutes to propagate, so patience is key. When you're ready, click Add Domain and start verification. Google will begin checking for that verification record. You might see a pending status for a short while. If verification doesn't complete instantly, wait a few minutes and click Verify again. Once it succeeds, your new domain will appear in the list under Manage Domains. That's it. You've added your Namecheap domain to Google Workspace and kicked off verification in just a few minutes. From here, Google may prompt you for additional setup like email routing, which you can complete when you're ready. If anything seems off, revisit the domain you entered and the verification details. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your domain connected.